Good morning. It started like a normal day, sunlight shining bright and gay. Rohan woke up feeling fine, but something strange was right in line. Stretch and yawn step by step, morning calm, no hint, no prep. Then suddenly, what's that sound? A sneeze that shook the whole room down. Achoo, achoo, oh what a blast! Everything's flying way too fast. Hat goes up, shoes run away, chaos dancing all the day. Spin around like a crazy storm. Nothing here is safe or warm. Books and clocks go tumbling down. Sneezes turning town to clown. Wait a second, what's the cause? Dusty nose without a pause. Grab a tissue, hold it tight. Time to stop the sneezing fight. Achoo, achoo, now under control. Tissues helping save the goal. No more chaos, no more mess. Just calm smiles and happiness. Lesson learned in funny way. Keep your tissues close each day. Rohan laughs and waves goodbye. No more sneezes flying high.